Have you ever wondered what it takes to lead a long, healthy life? Meet Bernando LaPallo, who defies all odds at the ripe age of 114. Bernando has never taken medication or visited a hospital. The astonishing part? Bernando has never relied on medications or stepped foot inside a hospital. What's his secret, you ask? Prepare to be amazed because he's spent his entire life thriving on just 5 different foods. Yes, you heard that right, only 5. Join us as we delve into the extraordinary life of Bernando LaPallo and uncover the incredible wisdom hidden within his simple yet astonishing diet. But who is Bernando LaPallo, and what's the incredible story behind this ageless wonder? Let's take a moment to discover the remarkable life of this centenarian who witnessed more than a century of change.
Hello there, my name is Bernando LaPallo. I was born in Brazil in 1901. My father brought me to New York when I was 5 to 6 years of age, between 5 and 6. And I've lived there for 90 years, never had a cold, never been sick one day in my life.
Bernando LaPallo was born in Victoria, Brazil on August 17, 1901. In 1906, Bernando and his family immigrated to the USA. Bernando was raised by his father, a physician and herbalist who worked in Philadelphia. Early on, he taught him the value of leading a healthy lifestyle. He followed his instructions at a young age by eating a diet high in whole foods and staying active. Bernando's main passion was food, so he attended the Sorbonne in Paris to study culinary arts. Graduating in 1928, he decided to continue his passion for the healing arts by enrolling in a massage course at the Swedish Institute in New York City. At 73, he continued his education at NYU to earn his reflexology and podiatry license. He ran a successful private massage practice in New York City for over 20 years. He lived in New York for his first 90 years before briefly relocating to North Carolina and settling in Mesa, Arizona. On December 19, 2015, Bernando LaPallo died from natural causes at 114. He died quickly and without any chronic illness. His heart simply stopped beating. He followed the same daily routine the day he died as he did every single day of his life. It was simply his time to go. He was at peace with himself and his life, says her oldest granddaughter, Erica Chamberlain. In his book, Beyond 100, How to Live Well into Your Second Century, he says, "Without your health, you are nothing." It's worth mentioning that Bernando LaPallo also wrote a book in which he shared his knowledge and perceptions about longevity. The experiences of Venus Moore are a living example of the ideas presented in Bernando's book. Together, these stories create a vivid picture of how making fundamental food decisions may result in a lifetime of health and vigor. Let's discuss the top 5 foods Bernando LaPallo swore by to conquer aging and live longer. On his 110th birthday, he revealed the top 5 foods that have kept him alive this long: garlic, olive oil, cinnamon, chocolate, honey, and you will never get sick. Let's delve deeper into these anti-aging foods. 1. Garlic, the natural immune booster. Garlic is well known for strengthening the immune system. The natural antibacterial and antiviral compound, allicin, abundant in garlic, can help our bodies fight against infections and sickness. Regularly integrating garlic into your diet can have several health benefits, including a more robust immune system, whether you cook with it or take a supplement. 2. Honey, a natural sweetener and antioxidant. A potent antioxidant, honey is also a delicious natural sweetener. It can be a natural energy source, ease sore throats, and lessen inflammation. To experience the health advantages of honey, consider substituting it for refined sugar in your tea or recipes. 3. Olive oil, a heart-healthy fat. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is a critical component of the Mediterranean diet and is linked to several health advantages. It has monounsaturated fats, which are excellent for your heart and may reduce your chance of developing heart disease. Use it in cooking or as a salad dressing to support heart health. Bernando even recommended using extra virgin olive oil on your skin frequently. 4. Cinnamon, balancing blood sugar. Cinnamon is well known for helping regulate blood sugar levels and being a tasty spice. It might be helpful for persons with diabetes or those seeking to limit their sugar intake. For flavor and health advantages, add cinnamon to baked goods. You may also sprinkle cinnamon on cereal, coffee, or tea. 5. Chocolate, a rich delight. Dark chocolate can be a tasty and healthful treat when consumed in moderation. It is an excellent source of flavonoids, which can improve brain and heart health. Choose dark chocolate with a cocoa content, 70% or more, to benefit from its health benefits. These foods are well known for strengthening the immune system, reducing body inflammation, lowering the risk of heart disease, enhancing brain function, and slowing down age. Even though Bernando LaPallo listed these 5 meals as part of his healthy diet, it's crucial to remember that his longevity and overall wellness probably resulted from several reasons. Some of his secrets for energy and longevity include well-balanced diet. LaPallo emphasized the value of a balanced diet full of organic foods. He preferred a diet high in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. He probably had good health because he focused on natural, raw foods. Hydration. It's essential to maintain hydration for overall health. LaPallo frequently highlighted the significance of getting enough water to support clear, healthy skin and to sustain bodily processes. Regular exercise. LaPallo believed in remaining active despite not favoring intense workouts. He used to walk 1.5 miles in the morning every day. Consumption of alcohol. Bernando never consumed alcohol besides a sip of wine when someone offered him. His drink was either iced green tea or water, but a glass of wine meant a single inch of liquid to him. He never even drank coffee. He found it unpleasant. Positive attitude. According to Bernando, longevity requires stress management and a happy attitude. Relaxation techniques and maintaining mental toughness might be helpful because prolonged stress can harm health. Restful sleep. Quality sleep is essential for regeneration and overall health. LaPallo always valued a good night's sleep to ensure he felt refreshed and energized daily. Moderation. LaPallo practiced restraint in his diet. He advocated eating in moderation and avoiding junk food, processed foods, and sweet snacks. Moderation lowers the risk of chronic diseases linked to overeating and aids in maintaining a healthy weight. By following a simple and healthy diet and lifestyle, Bernando LaPallo has shown that living a long and healthy life is possible. Bernando's story proves that a healthy lifestyle and simple whole foods can lead to a long, healthy life, and it's never too late to start. Thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed learning about Bernando LaPallo's top 5 foods for a long and healthy life. Also, subscribe to our channel for more content like this.